Then we have our wrinkles. Light wrinkles. Well, light wrinkles, that means your elastin bonds, your hyaluronic acid, your collagen, you have a minimal depletion. Everything's there, but it's not the way we want it to be. So you're getting some sagging, you know. So what do you want to do? You just want to stimulate that process to get them going again. So you don't need to go right down deep. Remember, the whole idea of microneedling is do what's necessary. Don't overtreat, don't be overly aggressive, because that's where you could be going into the realm of complications. Now we have deep wrinkles. What does that mean? Deep wrinkles means that the amount of deficit is now greater. So your level of penetration needs to be greater. Instead of transecting, if this is the dermis, instead of transecting just a little bit, I need to now be able to transect the whole thing so that I will have a greater amount of dissociation of that tissue, and I will have a greater call for your body to reorganize that tissue and rebuild it. That's what this thing is all about. Can you build a new house on the site where you already have an existing house? Not really. You have to get rid of that one and then you go new. So that's what this is all about. It's killing the cells over time to enable them to remove one and replace it with something newer, better, stronger.